Hi, my name is Thomas Kim again. In this session continues from my previous session. To download so- the- to download our source code from our previous session, please visit this website and then click download the link here, line number in CRichEditCtrl. You can download source code and you can follow with me. In this session, we will save files in Unicode, in UTF-8, UTF-16 Unicode system from our previous solution. And at the end of this session, we will have software like this. This is Korean text, and also we can put some English text. And we can save it. For example, I will name it Unicode text test like this, and we save it. We can open it again like this. We can also open this using WordPad, Notepad. For example, this is the file we just saved. This is in Unicode. We can open like this. At the end of session, we will create software that saves files in Unicode UTF-8 system. Also, it can load files from other. For example, I will create a new file. This is Korean text file. For example, I will save it as ANSI text file, not Unicode. This is ANSI text file, multibyte file. Bytes ANSI Korean and Korean text file like this. Save it. This is ANSI text file, ANSI Korean text file. We can open it also like this. This is the file we just created, and it gives us no, then yes, then it opens the file successfully. In this video, in this session, we will create a text editor like this that can open Unicode files and also ANSI multibyte text. And before do that, we need to understand about code system. In Wikipedia, please try to open Unicode system like a byte order mark. If you search for this file, then you can open this Wikipedia. Then what we are going to use is this represent byte bomb. It is called the bomb mark, byte ordering mark, byte order mark, something like that. Byte order mark, we need to know about these, and we will use UTF-16 and UTF-8. We will both use these two byte mark ordering. So, and as I told you before, you can download my source code from my previous sessions here from this website. Okay, let's begin. I will open another Visual Studio and copy from my previous tutorial videos. This is my tutorial video. I will copy and name it like O2 like this. I will open project from this solution. You can download this sample code from my website. Open project, then I open the solutions. I'm currently using English version of Windows. Actually, it's not English, it's Korean version. I installed the English user interface. For example, I'm using Korean version of Windows, but I installed English user interface, English display language, and I made it as default. And this is our previous solution. And the class view, from class view, click app init instance. We have to set our default code paste locale to something. Before we doing that, I will add two files here. Header file. I will add a header file. I will name it character encoding. Character encoding.h. I just added one, and I will add a C source code file here. It will be called C++ file character encoding.cpp. Here the first one should be include stdafx, right? We have to do this. And here I'm going to make a namespace cylinders like this, and I will put a header file. I will make a simple function here. It will be cstring and user default locale name. I will name like this. Don't worry about the squiggle right now. Here, wide character T and locale name will be locale name max length. 1 plus 1 for null character. I will actually copy and paste. Okay, then get user default locale name locale name. Then we copy this text like this. Then return cstring locale name. Okay. So now this is a header file. We will copy this to here, and namespace cylinders. I fixed like this. Save it here. I will simply do this header file. So save it. And class view app init, we double click it in the header file here, include character encoding, save it. Then in init here at the very first line we will use w set locale, this function. Then lc or locale or, then cylinders user default locale name. This changes to our default locale to system default. Now let's compile and run it. say it gives me error message for this. This is defined in locale, so I will change it to here, include. Instead of including this, we can include in stdafx here. We can include std c locale okay, locale h, this function. Now we compile again. We build again. Okay, it works. And this step is very important. If you don't define this step, default locale would be C. That's not what we wanted. So this step is important. Now we are going to add some change. We will make some changes. I will select. Let me see. We have to select code editor doc serialize this function. We will disable it, and when we are saving document, it is storing, it's loading. And it's storing here. We will here we are saving C string. We'll make text. Then we are getting our view. We interpret cast C code editor view. This is view. We are changing in this m view list. Sorry, m view list. The first one would be called get head. It returns the first view. I will name it like C code edit view view. I will name like this. Then we are getting text view get window text W. Let's see. We have to add a control home. We have to add here include code edit view. No. Code edit view dot h. Okay, we have to add this one. Save it. Come to here again. Why the squiggle doesn't goes away. Code edit view. Okay. This file name. Code editor view. Code here. Code editor view. Okay, it's gone. Save it again. Here, at doc serialize again. Here. See. Get window text. Here. String text. Then we got text string. Then we want to save it. Before we save, we have to save our BOM. Unsigned short BOM. We should put BOM text, BOM text. It is 0x FE FEFF. It is for real UTF-16 byte order mark for little endian system. Okay, then we save it. AR BOM. We just saved it, but we can do like this, right? And BOM size of BOM. It should be 2 byte. Okay, so like this. Then we save the text, remaining text, right? String. I will use write string txt like this. Then we saved our text, and for loading contents, I will do here. But this is for saving. This is for loading. First, we will do the same. If this means this document view list is empty. Not empty. It should be not empty. Not empty like this. Then we can load document here, contents of the file. First, we open unsigned short BOM. Okay, AR, we load BOM. If BOM is here 0x FEFF. This is UTF-6 and UTF-16. Then we can load the contents, and then C file will open it in one sequence. C file, P file, like AR, get file. You got file pointer. Then you unsigned long and file size like this. P file get length -2, because we already loaded 2 bytes. 2 bytes, the first 2 bytes is BOM, so we -2 because we've already read BOM 2 bytes, so -2. Then again U long and file size. This is characters. So we have to divide this as character size. Divide size of W character. Because we are reading Unicode character byte, we have to divide the 2 character size. Then we are going to load the strings. We are going to load the Unicode strings, std, Unicode ptr, wide character T. It should be like this array. Then we are allocating LP's SZ text. Then new wide character T. The size should be size of size T. I will change it to size T. and file size characters plus 1. Plus 1 is for null character. Create a buffer to read in characters. Plus 1 for null character. Okay. Sorry. This should be unique PTR. Unique PTR is we have to include here. We have to include memory age. Include memory. Unique PTR is included in memory. So this is we define the buffer, then we read characters. Let's see if LP as that text. If buffer is complete, buffer creation was complete successful, we can read AR read LPSZ text get. It returns buffer buffer, then unsigned int and file size bytes. We have to read the byte size. Then LPSZTXT, the last character will be and file size character here. Last character will be null character like this, and we have to change it to size t like this. Okay. Then we put the file here. You can copy this code and paste it here. Preview. Set Windows text. Set Windows text will be LPSZ text here. Cat. Okay, so we don't need to delete this pointer because this is a unique PTR. We don't need to delete. Then okay, let's run. Compile and run. Sorry. It should be character T. Okay, run. Okay. We are saving file. We are saving in Unicode system currently. Save it. Okay, save it. I will close it and load it. It successfully saves and loads. And to test it with Notepad like this, we can open the file here, not here, here. This is the file. This is not ANSI actually. What's the problem? We will check it. It should be Unicode. Let me check. We will save it again. Save. This is loading. This is saving. Let's check once again. Save it. Code editor. No, this is not the solution. This is the solution we are currently working on. Here, I will save it. Okay, saved it and open it. It opens. And here, WordPad. This is the solution here. TXT. This one. Okay, it opens as Unicode. Save as. It opens as Unicode because we saved it as Unicode. So we saved this now as Unicode Korean. I saved it like this. Save it and open it. It opens successfully, and also in WordPad Unicode Korean. This is Unicode. It opens successfully. We'll close it. Also close it. This is the file we have been working on. And now we are going to convert not Unicode system. This is UTF-8 system. Else if here, else if this, no, here, no, not here. Let's see this one, else if, no, I will just say else. This is not UTF system, not UTF-16. The first thing we will do is find the, if this is not UTF, then it should be either UTF-8. To do this, see file pointer p file ar get file. It returns file, then p file. We have to go back to the beginning of the file. Seek to begin. We have to go back to the beginning of the file like this. Then we unsigned character. Now UTF-8 BOM. We need 3 bytes like this. Then file read. P file read. We are reading first 3 bytes. 8 BOM. We are reading first 3 bytes like this, and we check if 3 bytes are Unicode, UTF-8 coding. If UTF-8 BOM 0, it should be 0F EF, or and it should be like this. Here and UTF-8 BOM 1 should be OX BB, and UTF-8 BOM 2 should be OX BF. Okay, then this means UTF-8 encoded. Say here, and u long and file size bytes should be p file get length minus sum, because we already read 3 bytes for BOM, byte ordering. Here we will create one for null character. So std unique ptr character. Now this is character buffer. lpsz text new character size t here and file size bytes and +1 for null byte. Okay, then we make space, we allocate space buffer like this. If lpsz text, if allocation was successful, then we are filling here. We read bytes from file p file read lpsz txt get, it returns buffer, then unsigned int and file size bytes like this. Then lpsz text last character should be null, so and file size bytes should be null character like this. Okay, here we are going to convert UTF-8 to UTF-16. We are going to convert here. Before we do that, save it, and we have to create a file here, coding here. I will create one function here. It is called it will return C string. Then file name will be called UTF-8 to C string like this. It will receive a constant character. I will name it str like this. I will implement this. Okay, here I will implement this function and copy the header files here in this file again. Here we are converting from UTF-8 to C string. To do that, we need the size t, UTF len strlen str. I will name it to UTF as UTF text, UTF like this, and here also UTF like this. Here UTF and size t WCS len, it should be multi-byte wide character CP UTF-8, the first argument, and the next should be null 0 and UTF then UTF-LEN means the length of this file, this string, then null, then null. Close it. It gives us converted Unicode character string length here. Then if UCSLEN, it returns 0 if this function fails. So if it means failed. In this case, we return C string, empty string. We return empty string. Then C string, we make C string buffer to return. The CSTR, we will name like this. We allocate buffer wide character T, WCSPTR. We are creating CSTR get buffer. We allocate buffer WCSLEN plus 1. The reason plus 1 is for null character, null termination character. Plus 1 for null character. Okay, here at this point, we use size T, unilang. It will be returned multi-byte to wide character. The first will be CP. Sorry, this should be CP UTF-8. UTF-8. The next is 0 should be UTF-8, UTF string buffer minus 1, WCS PTR, then WCS LEN plus 1, like this. I will make like this. Then here, if unilen, it is converted string length, WCS LEN plus 1, it means failed, actually. It should be equal. Equal means successful, actually. No, failed. Successful. It is successful conversion. CUCCEX successful conversion. Then here we first have to release buffer. CSTR release buffer. Then return CSTR. Else, here means else. We failed. CSTR release buffer. Then we return null string. C string, no, empty string, not null string. Like this. Okay. We save it. This function converts multi-byte UTF-8 to UTF-16 C string. Okay, save it. Then okay, go to tag again here. Here we are using that function C string text cylinders. The namespace was cylinders. Then UTF-8 to CSTR LPSG text get buffer. It returns buffer, right? Like this. Then LPSZ text reset. It releases memory. Then C, you can copy it. You can copy this code and paste. Preview. set Windows text like this, txt. Okay, it's done. Before do that, we can check preview. If preview is valid, then we can set like this. Okay, let's run. Compile and run. Sorry. What's wrong? I think we missed one point here, like this, and here we missed one more here. Okay, compile and run it. One more here. It should be size T, like this. Compile and run. Set Windows text. Let's try it. Preview. Set window text txt. Okay, now let's run. Okay, we will save a UTF-8 code and open it in the notepad. We'll save this is UTF-8 text. We will save it as UTF-8 here. Save it UTF-8. Name it UTF-8. Okay, save it. So it is saved as UTF-8. As UTF-8, save it. Now we will open it in our program. Go to open, and this is UTF-8. Okay, we opened as UTF-8 text. So we implemented this by default. By default, we save the text as UTF-16. Okay, I will save it once again. Save it. I will name it as UTF-16. UTF, or it is called UCX. Okay, UCX means Unicode system. Save it. This file is saved in UTF-16 or UCS. We can open it. WordPad open. UCS. See, this code converts to Unicode system because we put bookmark here, and we can save and open in UTF-8 files again. For example, UTF-8. You can open it. So in this code, we programmed to load UTF-8 system and UTF Unicode system. What about this kind of file? For example, let's see, ANSI code system. See? Now we are saving this as ANSI code. Save as ANSI code. ANSI code. We are saving it. Can you open it too? Let's try it. Probably we can't. We haven't implemented it yet. Open it. This is ANSI code page. No, it can't open right now. We have to implement it. To do that, at this stage, let's see. This means bookmark, and our program ended here. Here. Okay, let's make it smaller. This, okay, this pairs with this, then else this is, I will make it bigger. Neither UCS no UTF-8. Okay, we will fill out for ANSI code page here and ANSI text, ANSI multi-byte text. Okay, let's get a coffee break, then I will get back after 10 minutes. Okay, I am back. At this point, we are loading ANSI code, ANSI multi-byte text to our application. To do that, we need to add some more auxiliary help functions. Here, go back. And here, we are going to implement some functions. I will copy and paste. I will add a function here. Let me see. This function will be named like this, titled. Of course, to do this, we need to have header files. To do that, here again, we need include vector. And we also need utility function, utility. We need to add these, save it. Then here again, we copy these header files, copy and code here, and we are returning vector. I copy and paste from my code I prepared in advance. Copy and paste. I prepared this code in advance, referring to MSDN. We are defining long tables like this, long tables. The full table will be like this, the language name and the code page like this. For example, this is two files. First is it gets string pair, two wide string pairs like this. The first will give a country name, a language name, then the other one is language code like this. I prepared this file in advance, referring to Microsoft MSDN website, and for the time being, I will disable it for other language code. I will leave a few, for example, Korean. Here, this is Korean, for example. I will leave just a few and I disable it for the time being. When you need them, you can enable them. I will save it. And I need one more function. The function name will be, let me check my code. The function name will be multibyte to C string. I will implement this function. It will be something like multibyte to C string. It returns C string and gets, this is character constant, character buffer. This should be constant wide character T. It will be lock. Okay. I'm implementing this function. copy header files to here like this. Let me see. This is multibyte to C string, multibyte to C string, multibyte to C string. It'll be this one. Okay, let's get started. The first one will be locale underscore locale locale t locale. We are creating a locale w create locale, then category. Sorry, I need one thing more here. int cat, and here int cat will be lc, or these will be default. Save it here, category, then loc. We create the category, then we are getting multibyte length like this. Size t, WCS len, it will be computed. Multibyte string length will be, if locale successful, I mean this locale creation was successful, then mbs len l unsigned character pointer, then mbs. This should be mbs. Okay, mbs. Then locale. If it fails, then we should use mbs len. This is not, locale is not supported. Unsigned character pointer mbs, then close it. Then we got mbs length, then we create a buffer. We try to determine length. We convert returns +1 for one to character to hold null character. So if locale is defined, mbs to wcs sl wcs len null ptr, then 0, then mbs, then mbs len, then locale. If locale is defined, else if locale is not defined, mbs to wcs as wcs len null ptr 0 mbs len. At this point, if successful, it returns if it succeeds, it returns 0. Otherwise, it returns non-zero value. So returns C string. It means failed. Null string. It means failed. Okay, I will put message here. If successful, SUCCEX successful, returns 0. Otherwise, non-zero. Non-zero means it failed to get the length. WCS len will hold character length to be character length converted to be converted. Okay, so here at this point, C string we are making buffer CSTR wide character T buffer, T WCS CSTR get buffer WCS len. Okay, at this point now we are converting locale again. Locale is successful. We are using MBS to WCS SL. We are using locale here. The length of WCS len, WCS, then WCS len again, MBS, MBS len, then locale. If locale is supported, otherwise MBS to WCS WCS len null ptr 0 MBS len. Sorry, I think I made a mistake here. It should be number of character buffer. It should be like this, WCS, like this, and this is size in word, WCS len. It should be okay. Is correct. Then null character is appended already. Here null character will be appended. Let me see. Okay, if locale, then we have to pre-locale, and CSTR release buffer. We have to release buffer, then return C string. It means failed. Otherwise, else we succeeded here. We don't need this. Here, CSTR release buffer again, return CSTR. Okay, we save it. We saved it. Let's compile. Ctrl F7. Okay, it's compiled successfully. Now go back to doc here. We are filling here now this file. Here. C file again. Sorry. C file, P file, AR get file. It returns file. We have to go back from the beginning. Seek to begin. Here. Unsigned long and file size bytes. P file get length. We are allocating buffer std unique ptr character buffer. It'll be lpsz text, then new character and file size byte. E plus 1 because for null character. Okay, here plus 1 for null character, like this. It should be size t, like this. At this point, we made a buffer. If buffer is successful, lpsg text, we can keep going. At this point, p file read lpsg text get it returns buffer, constant buffer, then unsigned int and file size byte. Okay, we read buffer lpsg text. We will put the last character as null. We have to append the null here. Null character. We appended the null character. Then C string txt. Now we are trying each text. For constant auto I cylinders get encode vector. We are using encode vector here. This function we defined here. This function returns language code vector like this. It returns this vector language code pair, language code page name here. Text equals cylinders mbs to c string lpsz text get. It returns character code and I second c string. It returns code page, language code page name in c string. Okay, like this. If t text get length not 0, it means conversion was successful. We will put here ans afx message box. We put text mb yes, no, cancel, like this. If ans equal id yes, sorry, or ans id cancel, then we break the loop. At this point we no longer need lpsz text. We don't need it any longer, so we can reset like this. Then if text get length is greater than 0, then we put the paste text to our edit like this. Sorry. Here. Here. Okay. Okay, now let's compile and let's build and run. Sorry, I made a mistake. This is not, this is code, C code editor view. C code editor view. Okay, it should be like this. Okay, okay, let's run. Okay, so let's load this is Unicode text. We will create non-Unicode text, ANSI code Korean text. So we are saving this as ANSI text. Save as, this is ANSI text, and name it, I will name it as ANSI Korean. ANSI Korean. This is in ANSI format. Then I save it. Open it here. I will open it. ANSI Korean. This is the text. No. Okay, this one. Okay, it opens like this. And I will open one more. Open. Let's open this ANSI code text. Open. No. Yes. I can open like this. And to examine this, let's try with Word. If we are going to, in Word format file, if we are going to open, for example, insert here, where it is, insert, here, no, where it is, insert, home, insert, we can insert text file in Word. Oh, I forgot it. Here, text file. Let's see. Cool. No. DB soft. Here. We'll change txt file. This is ANSI Korean. If we select this, ANSI Korean, insert, it gives us a dialog box like this. Okay, we can create OK. And if we can open another text file here in Word, text file, for example, Unicode, Unicode text, it gives Unicode message. We can open like this. So we can save file. We can save in our own application. No, not this one. This one. We can save our own files here. Like this. And we can save it. We can save it in Unicode currently. For example, I will just save it. This will be saved as in Unicode. Then we can open that same file in Word like this. No, I clicked wrong. Text file. Code, this one. This is in Unicode format, Unicode, and open it like this. So in this session, we saved file in Unicode and open any UTF-8 file or any ANSI code page to our editor. Thank you for watching.